research proposal of the Scoop, done by Viviana Soto. Table of contents. So for the first topic I'll touch on is business overview, the second is competition, the third is customer service experience, and the fourth is the recommendation plan. Mission statement. The purpose of this research is to help improve the overall business and the customer service satisfaction at the local ice cream shop. As we researched what are the potential flaws in the business or the improvements that can be made. The research will be presented to the owner of the business to help determine what adjustments can be made to help maintain the business. So the purpose of the report is to combine the quantitative and qualitative data gathered from the surveys and interviews with the information obtained from our academic research. Our study approaches aim to pinpoint key areas where social media marketing tactics can be used, ultimately leading to help us improve customers' satisfaction and overall business development. This study highlights recurring difficulties found in the research data, describes the methods used for the data collecting and analysis, and talks about the benefits of using social media to help improve corporate involvement. So the first topic is a business overview. As you could see from the table above, you can see that we separated the exposure, the pricing, quality, and the service of the overall business. We compared the strengths and the weaknesses of each of these subtopics. So that you could see the exposure and reach to our customers, it is a great weakness that we found in the business. The pricing, it's an overall strength, so is the quality and the service. The quality and service of the business is a great strength that is shown that is a valuable aspect to the Scoop. The problem. After completing a number of the tasks throughout the course of the project, we decided to concentrate on the social media marketing since it did fall in the lower level as the Scoop's weakness. The solution that we have determined is the most effective approach of the business is to help their overall social media presence and use them to reach a wider audience, which may be as to why the business falls short on finding different types of clientele. And we could do this by doing some cheap social media presence because these platforms are free. If you would like to pay for some extra services like a sponsorships, you can. So the second topic we'll touch on is competition. Here we compared the Scoop's Rivalry, which is a local ice cream shop in the city, to compare their prices. We looked at certain pricing points and different prices as to if it could be compared in a good or bad way. And above we found that the Scoop's prices did not vary very far from the competitors. Certain prices of certain menu objects were higher than others, but overall it came down to higher prices for certain things but lower prices for other things. So pricing did not seem to be a huge factor as to why the Scoop's business is falling short. The next topic is customer service experience. Customer satisfaction scored was high, signifying that the higher levels of satisfaction from the survey data was shown that the service standards offered by the Scoop do not fall short. This is just a small sample size of some certain surveys that were taken. As you can see, we had a high percentage of a rating of a 5, which was the highest for the overall experience of the Scoop. The fourth topic is recommendation plan. We advise the Scoop to make use of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok marketing capabilities in order to raise awareness of the company. These social media sites have been given priority by our team due to their substantial influence and reach. Facebook is the most popular social media network, connecting with over around 60% of their users, with more than 1 billion monthly active users. Instagram leads the marketing with the monthly active users, while TikTok emerged as the most downloaded app in 2020 with an outstanding 2 billion downloads to date. This strategy approaches seeks to maximize proportional effectiveness by utilizing the large user population and high levels of interaction on these platforms. So since the Scoop already has a Facebook platform, we urge the Scoop to open different types of social media platforms, especially used by younger generations right now, like TikTok, which is a huge social media platform for younger generations. And we express to them that they should open different accounts and post more throughout the week to help reach a bigger audience. Thank you. And these are resources that were used throughout the project.